What's up, guys? Ego Complex coming at you with a new video update just after midnight, so it's technically Friday morning, East Coast time. Want to give you an update of the price action, and again, look at our old videos, a 200 moving average video for predicting price movement. I predicted these movements before they occurred. It's on YouTube, it's on video, and guys, if you like videos like that, from somebody that has the ability to analyze trends. TA for everybody is technical analysis. For me, it's trend analysis. That's my niche. I love analyzing momentum shifts, trend changes, reversals. That's my niche. That's what I'm good at. I don't do 2-year forecasts, blow off tops, things like that. I give you actual data because our group of people, the people that are in our group, in our Discord trading group, we are traders. We are people from all walks of life, from 17 different countries. We enter and exit markets frequently, whether it's futures trades, buying and selling coins. If this sounds appealing to you, you need to come check our group out. Go to the link in the description, check out our Discord. If you are not satisfied in any way, you will get your first month fully refunded, no questions asked. We are looking to grow and share this knowledge with other people. If you like these videos, you're going to love the TA in the room. You're going to love the members in the room. So many super helpful, super intelligent people from all walks of life. Guys, it's the best room on Discord. It's better than anything you got in Telegram or Patreon. If you don't believe me, come try it. I promise you, you'll love it. Talk to the people here. Let's get into the price action. All right, so we had the movement. We had the triple Buddha. We fell through, which is the head and shoulders. We fell through. Now for the bears, guys, this is the perfect zone to fall into because you have a Kumo twist going on. Red Kumo cloud, green Kumo cloud, the weakest point of resistance is right in here. Now, it is after midnight U.S. time. You're not going to have a lot of momentum tonight, even though you do have a bearish cross on the MACD. You still have to work your way through this little bit of the cloud here. And it looks like you're going to get some retracement. The EMAs are descending. Now, they did turn red and blue. That's indicative of selling. Again, this is a super guppy band. Looking over here at the volume profile, the POC line, point of confluence, this is your peak volume area. And as you can see, this is why you've had so much difficulty working your way through it. This is going to be a process. This is the weekend coming up, low volume. Once these momentum lines start to go back up, you really would like to see the price, if you're a bear, below the cloud, because then you can hit your head on the cloud and use it as resistance. Let the momentum swing back down, and that's when you're going to get your drop, okay? So that's important to realize. It depends. You want to see where your price is, where the EMAs are, and as you can see, they're right on top of the price. This looks like it's going to get driven down, guys. This will probably happen tomorrow, may happen tonight while I'm sleeping, but it's definitely going to happen. Like I said, we are in a downtrend, guys. We lost the 200, the 35, and we tested it at the 36K level, okay? As I said in the previous video, incoming death zone for Bitcoin, we tested the 200 and the 233 moving averages back at 41.5 and lost it, and we dropped 12,500 points. I'm not saying this is going to be a 12,500 point drop, but we are definitely going back into the 20s, as I said. Nobody wants to tell you this information on YouTube because they don't think you're going to watch their video, because they don't think you want to make money. They think you want positive bias reinforcement. I don't do that. I tell you the data as it lays. It can be positive, it can be negative, but you deserve the knowledge so you can make the best decisions with your money, because we're all about empowering financial freedom for myself, for the members, for the people you love and care about. That's why you need to come check out our group, guys. So you will see a descent, and again, the velocity of the descent is going to depend on the momentum and when we actually fall through. Let's see if there's anything different going on the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, volume profile indicator is so messy, but it's such a useful indicator. So here's a good example on the Super Guppy. We're going to be doing a video series, by the way, the admins, of our favorite indicators, and Nicole's going to be working on the Super Guppy. It's a fantastic EMA band indicator. You know I'm all about visualization of indicators, right? It's just the best to me to be able to look at something and have a quick reference point of what you're looking at. Teal and lime, this is buying. Teal is fast-moving EMAs. You can see the breaks here in the silver in the fast-moving EMAs. Lime is the slower-moving EMAs. Blue and red are selling. Again, you can change that in the profiles. And underneath it, you have the Ichi clouds. the Kumo clouds. I'll be doing a video on the on cloud trading by popular demand in our group, and I will be doing a candlestick video, which will be a series of videos because there's a lot of information in candlesticks, a lot of information in candlesticks. And as you guys know, most people in YouTube cannot actually read candlestick patterns. They don't actually understand what's a bearish harami, what's a dark cloud cover, what are the different types of dojis and what do they mean, what are reversal patterns, what is a 3-candle pattern, what is a 5-candle pattern, and what is the significance of each. There's a lot to candlestick trading. I was trained in traditional Japanese candlestick trading. The candlesticks themselves are the indicators. The indicators just confirm what the candlesticks are telling you. So you need to learn how to read candlesticks. It's a lot of information. It'll be a very powerful video series when I publish that. And here's that double top, guys. This makes me so sad every time I see it. This beautiful double top that was robbed from us. The whales robbed this, guys. I mean, this is a textbook double top. You see how clean this is? You have like, it's almost like the McDonald's arches. You have the arches form. We had the neckline break. The neckline broke. Well, that's an ugly line. We had the neckline break right here. That white candle actually was black briefly. That stem, the wick was black. It flashed white, and then boom, the whale pump candle. Now I'm getting sidetracked because this is like visiting an old friend. We were so stoked for this. Everybody had shorts in. That's so disappointing. But back to the price actually, guys. So this is the 1 hour. Nothing different here. You just see that we are further underneath. So in cloud trading, underneath the red clouds, confirming a bearish trend, which you can also see clearly with the super guppy indicator here. You are in a bearish trend and you are trending lower. You are making lower lows. As you go down, you're going to be making more lower lows. And to get a volume indication of price history, you pull some price into the scene. This is how you activate the candles, okay? This is how you get that price history. And again, we're going to be doing videos on all these things. So you can see, again, a lot of volume here. POC is up here because you can see a lot of buying and selling, a lot of trading going on. This is what happens in this area. Now, once we step down, once we do start falling, and you can see the cloud just starting to inch down lower, by the way. Guys, these, again, confluence of indicators paints the full picture. Ichi, which predicts the future by 26-day period, Ichi is predicting the cloud going down. Volume is showing you the recent price history, volume going down. Super Guppy is showing you selling, heavy selling is increasing. You're going to be waving down. Confluence of indicators sends a powerful message. So when you see videos tomorrow about Bitcoin 70K, just know they don't know how to read charts. Okay, it's very important to know how to read charts and to read indicators correctly because we are waving down. Doesn't mean we can't have some small spikes because you do have your MACD, right? Your MACD can go up and down. It's a momentum. And we just got a double bearish cross. We had a bearish cross down here. We had another bearish cross on the MACD. So the price is descending, guys. But you can always have momentum shift and go back up. Now, when momentum does shift, you're going to have price hitting the cloud. This is now resistance on the 1 hour, and you saw it above. If we get through the cloud on the 4 hour, you'll have the same exact effect. So be prepared, locked and loaded in Tether. Get ready for cheaper prices. Our target zone is to at least revisit the previous crash site, okay? Let me go back to 4 hours to show you quicker. The previous crash sites for the crashes, you're looking at 28,790 and you're looking at 30. Those are the two zones you really got to defeat once we fall through. Your key support zones. If you get past 28,790, I'm looking at middle 20s Bitcoin. I want Bitcoin down at 20. When I say want, that's not because I want it cheap, although I do. I want the alts cheap as well because what you need to rise back up, guys, is organic retail buying with our frenemies, our friends and enemies, the whales and institutions, because that's how you're going to spike Bitcoin price back up. That's how you're going to defeat this historic now resistance of the 200 and 233 EMA. This defeated us over 2 days. Again, in my 200 MA videos, defeated us over 2 days at the 41.5 level, and now it defeated us again at the 36 level, and we lost the 35. And I said in the video we weren't going to hold it. I told you we were going to roll. That's how weak Bitcoin is. I understand the trends. Again, trend analysis, guys. Come check out our group. I'll leave you with that. Come check out our group. You're going to love it. Share these videos, please. Let's grow the channel. Let's grow the space. Let's share the knowledge. Happy hunting, guys. Get ready for cheap prices on premium projects. We're all looking forward to that. Have a good night, everybody.